ngegama lakho kulunga konke kuyiqiniso uNkulunkulu uyingcwele Nkosi yezulu. So one of you requested this song that says Ngegama Lakho by Guli. They just released the song, guys. So I will first break it down in G sharp, then go to F sharp and C sharp. Okay. So remember, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now this will help our channel to grow. Okay. If you want one-on-one lessons, please hit me on this number on the screen. If you're watching this from TikTok or Facebook, go to my YouTube channel and check full video. Right. So the song, it starts right here. I will start with G sharp. Ne? So the song starts right here. This one. Ngegama lakho kulunga konke. Then you say kuyiqiniso uNkulunkulu ingcwele Nkosi yezulu. So yeah, as I mentioned, is this one. This one. Ne? Nyega. Then this one. La. This one. Then you come here. Oh. Then you go again. Lunga. Okay. Then again. Then those are simple chords, right, which you can use for playing this song in A flat. No, this is A flat, remember. So let me break it down. So then it starts on 4, all right, because it's do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then you go back to 1. All right, it's A flat. All right, so then it starts on 4. Then it goes to 3. Then it goes to 2. Then it goes to 1. Gulunga, like you'll say ngegama 1. Sorry, 4. Then 3, 2. Then 1. Then 3. Then we come to 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 3, then 2, 3, 2, then we go back to 1, 3, then 2, 1, 5, then first inversion 1, you close it. Alright? So yeah, this is how it goes. I hope you got this. It's very simple, guys. Like this one, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then again, again. So again, again, then you come here, then you go here, then you go here, then you close it. Then you can do something like very simple. Okay, very simple. If you didn't understand in your preference key, check it again and again. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. Okay, so in F sharp it's also simple. It starts right here. This is F sharp. Again. This one. Again. I hope you saw it. Very, very, very simple, my people. Very simple. This one. This one. Then you finish your song. So let me be slow, right? So this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one again. This one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, okay? Then this one, then you close it. Very simple, my people. Very, very, very simple. Very simple progression. Very simple. So you go and check again and again. Ne? So before any waste of time, once again, let's go to let's check C sharp. Okay, then we're going to C sharp. Ne? Very simple also. Okay, you saw it. So it starts right here. Again, then you finish it. Then you are done. Please check it again and again. If you didn't understand, tell me. Thank you.